Hi students, I Sandeep. I will teach you GK in class 2nd. So we'll start our today chapter number 14, Sea Animals. Sea animals of many kind of animals. As in your book page number 11, picture is given to you and the animal is given to you, and you can take help from the help box and you have to write name of this sea animal. And students, that as we are in the earth, we are watching so many insect in our on the earth, but same like small animals, small things are there in the sea also. So I am going to discuss which are the sea animal which we get in sea. Normally you are watching on the Discovery channels when there are the different kind of sea animal. So I am going to discuss what are the sea animals in the sea will get. First one is blue whale, second one is shark, next third is swordfish, fourth is jellyfish, fifth is starfish, sixth is seahorse. These are the sea animals which, sorry, one is left. Octopus. These are the sea animal which we are getting in sea. These animals also using as a medicine. You are watching in the Discovery channels, some countries are like this, in which some countries there these sea animals they are eating. Okay, as we know that recently there is COVID-19. How it is occur? Because of China, when they are taking this kind of this small animal, insect or bats, then because of these animals they have got this COVID-19, that is coronavirus. So these are the helpful also, but they have harmful also in our life. So that, like, first is blue whale. Blue whale is animal which is the largest and heaviest animal in the world. It is on both. This blue whale is heaviest and largest on earth also, and water also, that means in sea. And they are getting this blue whale, people's, those are scientists, they are making medicine from this and they are making oil for disease. Okay, and this oil and medicine is also helping for disease. Next, sharkfish. Sharkfish is also one of dangerous fish. We are watching in the Discovery channel, sometime watching in the movies also how this sharkfish is attacked. There are the movies also on the sharkfish. And swordfish, it is the fish, they have long nail, long like a beak, and it is attacked with the help of beak. There are more fishes also, fishes there like dolphin. Dolphin is a very intelligent fish, and we can see in the videos also like and dolphin is using and people's they are playing game with dolphin. If you are watching, if anyone asks you question which is the intelligent fish, then directly you can give answer that dolphin. Octopus is also, octopus is used as a medicine. People from China, they can directly eat these things, and other some countries also they are eating this kind of sea creatures. That is another name, sea animal and sea creature, both the name of this sea animal. Seahorse, this is the simply, but this is also one kind of animal which is using for a medicine. As a medicine we are using this kind of animal. So after this finish this chapter, we will phrase two kind of questions from this chapter. Normally they can ask what are the sea animal, and another question we will ask write name of sea animals. You can write any 5 or whatever in the question it is asked. If they are asking 4 or 5, you have to write as per the questions, but you have to learn all the sea animals. Next, one more question they can phrase, which is the largest animal in the world? That is blue whale. Blue whale is the largest animal in both earth also and water also. Water means to say in sea also, blue whale is the largest animal. So student, you have to learn these questions and you have to write on your copies also. Same question will give you in homework also, and these are the most important questions, especially for the blue whale. Okay, you have to learn this question. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, you can put in comment box. Thanks.